In the contemporary busy life, normally we can't enjoy the unparalleled pleasure of the company of our family. We should avail of lockdown to interact with the family members, to partner in domestic chores, to care for each other, to share the feelings with each other, to serve elders and learn from them the things which may not be learnt from the books and the libraries. It would be so lovely if we have meals together, have collective schedule and revive the sunnah of the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam collectively. We should finish each work in the scheduled time. It always brings delight, blessings, unity, affection, sympathy, ease, peace and stability within the family. And similar should be the routine of the room partners.